You heard that Tesla has got some recalls out. If you've got a Model 3 or Model S, you may have a recall active on your car. But don't panic, it's not urgent. Here's all about it. So this is about the Tesla recalls. This is a grumpy old man with an EV. So yes, Tesla has got some recalls out, but how do you know if your car's one of those that are affected by this recall? Well, the simple answer is you can do a VIN search through the Tesla website. I'll put that link down below, but it's basically service.tesla.com, and you go into a VIN research area, type in your VIN, and it will tell you whether you've got a recall or not. So if you haven't got a recall, don't worry about it, you've got no problems. But for those of us with a recall active, and I'm one of them, then there's still no need to panic, purely because the recalls are for minor things. So first up, Model S, it's just the front bonnet, front latch. The way that the front latch works, there's two catches on it. One of them may not link in properly. If you've got a Model S, you've got a VIN number that's on the list, then eventually Tesla will get in contact with you. For those of us with the Model 3, the recall is as a result of the wiring harness for the rear camera. So if you have a look where the rear camera is, the wires actually travel underneath and in between the metal until it gets to one side, which on my car is the right hand side, where it comes out, and then it's got a plastic covering until it goes down by the hinge and loops back in to the car. And that is where the problem occurs, at the hinge. If you look at mine, just here, there's a bit of like a kink in it. And what is happening is there's a bit of a fraying potential there. And so the coaxial cable for the rear camera is getting possibly frayed. Now, out of the hundreds of thousands of recalls, there's only about 1% of cars are affected. If your car is one of those affected, then it's a very simple fix. Tesla will either put a little clip in or guide for that wire so as to stop it from fraying, if it hasn't already got any fraying. If it's already begun to fray and it's looking like it might be a problem, Tesla will replace that wire and wiring harness and also install the clip so that it doesn't happen again. So it's only a minor problem. You can check to see if your car's one of those affected by going to the VIN search function on the Tesla website, and then you can get it fixed. So you have to wait for Tesla to contact you. I know Tesla in Australia, and where I am in Perth, they don't have any of the parts to fix it yet. When they do, they will be sending out messages to those people that are affected and booking you in. It only takes a couple of minutes to check, a few minutes to put a new guide or clip on, and 15-20 minutes, if that, to replace the wiring harness. So it's not a huge job, but you'll see on the news, Tesla recalls 500,000 vehicles, may cause crash. Yeah, well, that's what the popular press likes to do, sensationalize everything. It's only a minor problem for the Model 3s. If it really does affect you, you'll lose the rear view camera feed, which is really of a major importance when you're reversing. And up until a few years ago, we never had reversing cameras to reverse with. We used to have to turn the head and have a look, or use the wing mirrors or the rear view mirror. It's only with modern day cars that it's become a bit of a problem. So go to the VIN search page. I'll put the link down below, and then if you're one of those affected, wait for Tesla to contact you. But if you do lose the rear view camera, you can always contact them sooner to see what's happening. So Tesla recall, Model 3, Model S, nothing desperate, but just thought I'd give you that bit of info. So thanks very much. Don't forget to click like, subscribe, etc. Thank you.